This is 911 emergency 820. What is your emergency, please?
The lady is here that has a restraining order, and the police came earlier, and she got away. And they said they were going to be looking for her, and she's back.
She has a restraining order. You have it against her, or she has it against you?
I got it against her.
What's the address?
In South Avenue 18, Los Angeles, California.
Just a moment.
She's banging on the door.
Sir, can you give me an opportunity to create the call, please, sir?
I ain't holding you, man.
Just a moment, please. So this is your daughter's mother. She's a female Hispanic. She's 49, a brown jacket and gray sweatpants?
Yes, and now she has two big bags.
Just a moment, sir. She still has the black backpack?
But she has two bags.
Okay.
And she's screaming at the door.
She's under the influence?
Yeah, I believe so. She is on the corner. She's trying. She can't. Oh, my God. My daughter is all paranoid in the closet.
Sir, I'm sending the police. Just a moment, okay? I'm
please.
not coming. Okay, sir, listen, please. Sir, just relax. You're going to make your daughter nervous, okay? I'm sending the police, sir. I don't come. I can dispatch while I'm talking to you. So just a moment. Don't hang up, okay? I made it a high priority call. One moment, please. Cross Street is Albion Mozart?
Yes.
Okay, just a moment. Calling back in a domestic violence restraining order violation, South Avenue 18. Suspect has returned to the location in front, code 3, incident 2806, RD 421. Stand by for further.
Why can't they open the door? Why can't they open the door?
No, you have to stop right here.
No. You know what? No. This is what I'm going to do.
You gotta be tased, just so you know.
It's not going to work.
Hey, don't stay right there.
No,
stay
right
there.
Move!
Stay right there.
Move!
Stay right there.
I said move. Fuck.
It's okay, I got it.
Stop fighting. Come on.
Stop resisting.
Leave me alone. You guys are going to die right now. Somebody come got me.
Put
Stop resisting.
Let it go.
You got it?
Yeah.
Leave me. You know what?
450. Let me get it back up.
Fucking asshole. You fucking asshole, Louis.
Come on. Stop resisting.
Victoria! No.
Stop kicking. Come on.
Henry! Henry.
Go ahead. You got a humble? Relax.
Okay, just calm down.
Maria, relax. Okay? We gave you a chance in the morning.
Okay.
We told you not to come back.
Okay, I'm going.
And you came back.
I'm going.
Okay?
415. 415, get your phone.
Now you're gonna go to jail.
No.